Welcome to the Writing Center Virtual House Call. This video will introduce to you the services we provide. The Writing Center provides SJSU students with free services and resources to improve their writing skills. You can find all of our services and resources on our website. A service we provide is online tutoring. Our tutors go through an intensive hiring and training process to ensure that they are knowledgeable in all phases of the writing process. Many of them are also specifically trained to support graduate-level students. We offer 45-minute online tutoring appointments through Zoom, Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., and Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Appointments are limited to twice a week, and an additional session can be provided to AEC and graduate-level students upon request. In addition, we also provide in-person tutoring. In-person appointments have the same length and follow the same policies and procedures as online tutoring. In-person appointments will be offered Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and will take place at our location on the second floor of the Martin Luther King Jr. Library. If you need quick help on your writing, we also offer Open Lab. Open Labs are 20 minutes and are intended for students who have writing questions or concerns that can be addressed quickly. In order to join our Open Lab, go to our website at sjsu.edu/writing center, hover over our tutoring services, and select Open Lab. Scroll down and you will see a Zoom link and a box that says Join Now. Select Join Now. From there, our Open Lab moderator will assign you to a tutor when they are available. Please note that our Open Lab service is first come, first serve. When you join Open Lab, our Open Lab moderator will inform you of your place in the waiting list. Open Lab is offered Monday through Thursday via Zoom, and you are allowed 1 Open Lab each day and 4 per week. Please check our website for our current hours. We also hold virtual writing workshops on Zoom. These 1-hour workshops focus on a specific writing topic, such as integrating sources, creating a scientific abstract, and more. You can learn how to join a workshop and find a full workshop schedule on our website. Go to Workshops and Events and scroll down. Proof of attendance can also be provided upon request. You can find handouts and more writing resources on our website at www.sjsu.edu/writing center. If you are interested in receiving tutoring, you must register online to book an appointment. Visit sjsu.mywc.online to learn how to register and book. There are a few important rules to keep in mind after booking an appointment. If you are 10 or more minutes late, you will lose your appointment and be marked as a missed appointment. If you have 2 missed appointments, you can no longer schedule tutoring sessions in advance for the rest of the semester. You will be limited to Open Labs only. Please be prepared and arrive on time to your appointment. Emails to your instructor can be provided upon request for appointments. If requested, the writing tutor can follow up a tutoring appointment with an email to your instructor, which will include a summary of your session. Consult with your instructor if they would like confirmation that you attended an appointment at the Writing Center. Keep in mind, you will not be able to request emails to your instructor for Open Labs. There is a dedicated resource for graduate-level students, the Grad Writer's Toolbox. It provides tips and advice for researching papers, professional writing, and more. You can find the toolbox by clicking on Resources and scrolling down. Like the Graduate Writer Toolbox, we also have a dedicated resource for multilingual students, the Multilingual Writer Toolbox. It provides helpful resources for multilingual students to complete writing assignments and projects in English. You can find the toolbox in Resources as well, above the Graduate Writer Toolbox. We also offer special events for students, such as the Foundations of Graduate Writing workshops, Weeks of Welcome, and more. You can find more events under Workshops and Events and scroll down. Students who are interested in applying to become a writing tutor are encouraged to find out more under jobs. We have a rolling recruitment process, so there is no specific deadline to apply. A few final reminders. The Writing Center is not an editing service. We will not accept under any circumstance documents to review prior to the appointment. Tutoring is a collaborative learning process. We want to improve your writing skills. Thank you for watching the Writing Center House Call. If you have any questions or concerns about our services, visit our website at sjsu.edu/writing center. If you can't find an answer to what you're looking for, feel free to contact us via phone 408-924-2308 or via email at writingcenter@sjsu.edu. We hope to see you soon.